Okay, today we will learn some insights about Indian state Sikkim. Here you can see the map of Sikkim. Sikkim is uh, connected with three international border. In the northern and eastern side, it is connected to Tibet, China. In western side, it is connected to Nepal. Eastern side, it is connected to Bhutan, and at the uh, southern side, it is connected to the state West Bengal. See the state symbol of Sikkim. State animal is red panda, and the state flower is noble dendrobium. Uh, State bird is blood pheasant, and state fish is copper mashir, and state tree is rhododendron. So the kingdom of Sikkim was founded by the Namgyal dynasty in 17th century, ruled by Buddhist priest king known as Chogyal. From 1642 to 1975, Sikkim was ruled by Namgyal monarchy, founded by Futsok Namgyal, the fifth generation descendant of Guru Tashi, who is the prince of Minayak House, who came to Sikkim from Kham province of Tibet. Sikkim became a princely state of British India in 1890. Then in 1950, Sikkim, a treaty was formed between Sikkim and Indian Union, and Sikkim got the status of Indian Protectorate. Then on 16 May 1975, Sikkim became the 22nd state of Indian Union. On 6th July 2006, after a long time, Sikkim's Himalayan pass, Nathula Pass, was opened for cross-border trade between India and China. The summit of Kanchenjunga, world's third highest peak, is the state's highest point, situated on the border between Sikkim and Nepal. Almost the entire state is hilly. The elevations ranging from 280 meters to 8,586 meters from above mean sea level. Tista River is flowing through the Sikkim state, which is 414 kilometer long. Sikkim state has 28 mountain peaks, 80 glaciers, 227 high altitude lakes, hot springs, 100 rivers and streams, 8 mountain passes which connect Tibet, Bhutan, and Nepal. Uh, the soil in Sikkim is in coarser in size, having large concentration of iron oxide. Deciduous forests are mostly seen here. The average annual temperature is near about 18 degrees C. Sometimes in winter, in the mountainous area, temperature may drop to minus 40 degrees centigrade. Sikkim is the home of around 5,000 species of flowering plants and 550 species of birds. Sikkim is known as Indrakil, the garden of war god Indra. So the present governor of Sikkim is Ganga Prasad Chaurasia. He is serving from 26 August 2018 to till date. He is the 15th governor of Sikkim. Before that, he was the governor of Meghalaya. The first governor of Sikkim was B. Bilal. He was serving from 1975 to 1981. The present CM of Sikkim is Prem Singh Tamang. He is the 6th CM of Sikkim, serving from 27 May 2019 to till date. He is from Sikkim Krantikari Morcha Party. Prem Singh Tamang preceded by Pawan Kumar Chamling. He is from Sikkim Democratic Front Party, SDF. Chamling was the longest serving chief minister of any Indian state. He served from 1994 to May 2019. He served 24.4 years. The first CM of Sikkim was Khaji Lendu Dorji. He served from 1975 to 1979. Sikkim state legislature is a unicameral having 32 seats, and 1 Rajya Sabha seats and 1 Lok Sabha seats are from Sikkim. Sikkim High Court is in Gangtok. First Chief Justice of Sikkim was Justice Rajinder Sachar, serving from 1975 to 1976, and present Chief Justice is Biswanath Somadar, serving from 12 October 2021 to till date. In economic condition, in 2019 estimations, the GDP of Sikkim was 4.6 billion US dollar, and per capita being 7,530 US dollar, which consists the state becomes the third smallest GDP among Indian state. In 2003, Sikkim decided to fully convert to organic farming, and in 2015 it completed, and Sikkim becomes the India's first organic state. State economy is based on agrarian and tourism, based on agricultural product, and nowadays tourism is also an attractive part for the Sikkim's GDP. Sikkim accounts for the largest share of cardamom production in India, which is the world's second largest producer of the spice after Guatemala. In airport, Sikkim, Pakyang Airport is there in Sikkim, which is situated at an altitude of 1400 meter and located at a distance of 30 km from Gangtok. Pakyang Airport is the 5th highest airport in India. From Bagdogra Airport, West Bengal, we can go there in Sikkim. Gangtok is located at a distance of 124 kilometers from Bagdogra Airport. From Bagdogra Airport to Gangtok, helicopter service facility is also there, which is run by Sikkim Tourism Development Corporation. NH10 links Siliguri to Gangtok, and many more national highways is also there in Sikkim. New Jalpaiguri and Siliguri are the 2 railway stations nearest to Sikkim. New Jalpaiguri and Siliguri both are in West Bengal. New Jalpaiguri is located at 125 kilometers, and Siliguri is located at a distance of 114 kilometers from Gangtok. Populations and education. Sikkim is the least populous and second smallest among the Indian state. According to 2011 census, the population of Sikkim was 6,10,577. Rank according to populations, 28th. Density is 86 persons per kilometer square. Literacy is 82.6%. Sex ratio 889. Capital is Gangtok. Total area of Sikkim is 7,096 square kilometer. As per area, Sikkim ranked 27th. Total 1300 schools are there in Sikkim. 6 universities are there. 16 subdivisions and 6 districts are there. The official language of state are English, Nepali, Sikkimese and Lepcha. Additional official languages include Gurung, Limbu, Magar, Mukhia, Newari, Rai, Sherpa and Tamang. See, as per 2011 census, 62.6% are Nepali speaking people, and Sikkimese is 6.86, Limbu 6.34%, Lepcha 6.27, Hindi 5.52, and you can see here the majority of Sikkimese residents are of Nepali ethnic origin. The native Sikkimese consist of Bhutanis. See, as per 2011 census, 57.76% people are Hinduism, 27.39% Buddhism, Christianity, Islam, Sikhism, Jainism, also there in Sikkim. Sikkim has a 6 district at present. Earlier, Sikkim has 4 district, which was North Sikkim, South Sikkim, East Sikkim, and West Sikkim. Now the 6 districts are Gangtok, Mangan, Namchi, Gyalsing, Pakyong, and Soreng district. See, the highest density can be seen in Gangtok district, and least density you can see in Mangan district. Mangan district is in the north side of the Sikkim, where the Himalayan ranges are situated. Sikkim's Nepalese majority celebrate all major Hindu festival like Diwali, Dashera, Losar, which is Tibetan New Year festival, Sagadawa, La Bav, Duechan, Druk Kateshi, Bomchu are the Buddhist festival. Sikkimese Muslims celebrate Eid ul-Fitr, Muharram, etc. Nepalese people commemorate 29th Ashar as a Bhanu Jayanti on the birthday of Bhanubhakta Acharya, who was popularly known as Nepalka Adikavi or Nepal's first poet. Tendong Lau Ramphart is one of the oldest festival of the Lepchas. Nepali rock and clubchi musics are very much popular. Bhutia folk dance like Tashi Sabdu, Lama dances or Cham is a Max dance performed by Buddhist lamas or monks. Maroni dance are there, which is the oldest dance of Sikkim. Another famous dance like Tamang Selo, Dhannaj, Chofat, Jomal Lok, Sorathi, etc. Sikkim's popular sports are football, cricket. Baichung Bhutia, he was born in Sikkim. Although another hang gliding, river rafting is nowadays very much popular tourism attractions in Sikkim. Very few newspapers are there in Sikkim like Hamaro, Prajashakti, Himalayan Mirror, Samay Dainik, Sikkim Express, Kanchenjunga Times, Pragya Khabar, etc. Sikkim, only one national parks are there in Sikkim, Kanchenjunga National Park, which covers 35% of the total area in Sikkim, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and many more wildlife sanctuaries are there like Pangolakha, Phambanglo Wildlife Sanctuary, Kyongosla Alpine Sanctuary, Maina Wildlife Sanctuary, Barse Rhododendron, Singwa Rhododendron Wildlife Sanctuary, Kitam Bird Sanctuary. Waterfalls like Banjakri Waterfalls, Seven Sister Waterfall, Bhim, Naga, Kanchenjunga, Bhaktang, Rimbi, Sangai, Kyongnosla, Kalikhola waterfalls are there. And in lakes, Khatok, Menmecho, Songmo, Gurudongmar, Khachop, Palri, etc. And in Sikkim you can see the Chungtang hydroelectric power plants is there. Plaza Stadium, which is located in Gangtok in Sikkim. That's all about Sikkim. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.